Okay.
Thank you, Kwame and Gramps. Thank you for the Nerf gun.
Shoot me. Reload it. Oh!
I shot
Okay.
it.
Put another one in. See if you can get me.
I did. I shot you in the knee very fast. Actually, oh yeah.
Come a little closer. Ooh. Reload one more time. Come a little closer. Think you can get me? Oh, that's close enough. You gotta reload. Ooh. And what do you say? What do you say to Grammy and Gramps?
Thank you for the Nerf gun, Kwame and Gramps. Goodbye.